NASA has long been the symbol of human exploration, venturing into the unknown and expanding our understanding of the universe. But behind the dazzling images of planets, satellites, and distant galaxies, there are discoveries some say were never meant to be revealed. Tonight, we explore 5 NASA discoveries shrouded in mystery, documents that have been classified, and phenomena that continue to spark debate among scientists and conspiracy theorists alike. Some of these findings are simple mysteries, while others challenge the very way we think about space, technology, and our place in the cosmos. Whether hidden by bureaucratic secrecy or overlooked by mainstream science, these forbidden discoveries remain fascinating. Join us as we uncover them one by one, examining the evidence, the whispers, and the anomalies that defy explanation. During the Apollo missions, NASA recorded thousands of hours of moon landing footage. But according to some reports, a significant portion of these tapes mysteriously vanished. The official explanation points to tape reuse due to budget constraints in the 1970s. Yet some researchers argue that the missing footage contains anomalies, unexplained lights, structures, and movement that did not match the lunar landscape as we know it. Scientists and historians debate whether these anomalies were misinterpreted, or if the missing tapes contained evidence that NASA was hesitant to release to the public. The mystery of the lost moon tapes continues to captivate those fascinated by space and the unexplained. In 2007, a collection of alleged NASA footage surfaced online, claiming to show a decommissioned Apollo 20 mission, previously unacknowledged by official records. The videos purportedly display a mysterious structure on the far side of the moon, which some describe as an abandoned extraterrestrial base. Skeptics caution that the footage could be manipulated, but the story persists among enthusiasts of forbidden NASA content. Was there ever an Apollo 20? And if so, what did the astronauts find? These questions remain unanswered, and the tale fuels speculation about what the government might be keeping from the public eye. Mars has always captured human imagination. NASA's rovers and orbiters have sent back stunning images of the red planet, yet certain photographs continue to spark intrigue. Some images show geometric shapes, structures resembling buildings, and even long linear formations that resemble roads. NASA maintains that these are natural rock formations created through erosion and dust storms. However, researchers and theorists point to the possibility that these formations could indicate past civilizations or, even some unknown activity on Mars. The debate continues as no conclusive explanation has been offered, leaving plenty of room for speculation and fascination. From satellites to space telescopes, NASA has launched numerous missions beyond Earth's orbit. Yet reports exist of anomalies captured on camera, unidentified objects appearing near spacecraft, sudden energy fluctuations, and odd sensor readings that were never, publicly explained. While NASA attributes most of these to technical errors or cosmic radiation, some scientists argue that a small number of these incidents remain truly unexplained. Could these anomalies be extraterrestrial in origin? Or do they reveal technologies or phenomena that, honestly, even our most advanced instruments struggle to comprehend? The mystery persists, and the curiosity only grows stronger with each passing year. Some astronauts have hinted at experiences and observations not widely shared. In interviews and personal writings, a handful of astronauts describe unusual lights, objects, and atmospheric phenomena witnessed during space missions. Many details remain classified or have been redacted from public reports. While NASA publicly maintains that these occurrences have rational scientific explanations, the stories hint at knowledge beyond what the public is permitted to see. Whether these are misinterpretations, miscommunications, or evidence of something extraordinary, they continue to intrigue researchers and enthusiasts alike. These 5 forbidden NASA discoveries remind us that the universe holds more mysteries than we may ever fully comprehend. Whether lost moon tapes, alleged lunar bases, or unexplained anomalies in deep space, each instance invites curiosity and encourages us to question what we think we know. Which of these NASA mysteries fascinates you the most? Comment below with your thoughts, like this video if it sparked your curiosity, and be sure to subscribe for more explorations into the secrets of the cosmos. Keep looking beyond and never stop asking questions. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on NASA, the organization at the edge of human exploration. But what if there's a side to their story they don't want us to see? What if the official narrative is just the tip of the iceberg? We're diving into 5 of the most controversial and mysterious secrets NASA's ever been accused of hiding. Media Group, vintage NASA tapes on shelf, redacted government documents labeled top secret. Astronaut in shadowy corridor stock, distribute equally. 1 missing tapes, 2 secret missions, 1 and strange things photographed on other worlds. These are the stories that make you question everything you thought you knew about our place in the cosmos. So, buckle up. We're about to go down a serious rabbit hole. Let's get into it. Let's start with the Apollo 11 moon landing, the moment humanity set foot on another world. But here's the twist. The original high-quality broadcast tapes, gone. NASA admits it. Billions spent to reach the moon, but the clearest record of that achievement? Accidentally erased, supposedly to save money. The official story is incompetence, but some believe the real reason is what those tapes might have shown. The public saw a grainy, degraded feed. The originals were crystal clear, beamed directly from the moon. What if those tapes captured something extraordinary? Strange lights, objects, or even evidence of non-human technology? There are whispers from insiders about odd phenomena, unexplained music on Apollo 10, rumors of things following the module. If the Apollo 11 crew saw something world-shattering, would NASA really let it air unfiltered in 1969? The theory: the tapes were lost to keep the most profound discovery in human history under wraps. Former NASA employees have hinted at a culture of secrecy, where anything too sensitive was hidden. Is it more likely that the most important footage ever was erased by accident, or that it was buried on purpose? The lost tapes remain a mystery, fueling decades of speculation. So what do you think? Bureaucratic blunder, or a cover-up of something we're not ready to know? The fact that we're still asking says a lot. Sometimes what's missing tells the biggest story. The moon landing was a giant leap, but maybe not the whole truth. The question is, what did we really see, and what was left out? The debate rages on, and the tapes? Still missing. If you thought lost tapes were wild, check this: the legend of Apollo 20. Officially, Apollo ended with Mission 17. But rumors persist of secret missions, especially Apollo 20, said to have landed on the moon's far side to investigate a massive alien spacecraft. The story comes from William Rutledge, who claimed to be the mission's commander and released old-looking videos online. He described a joint US-Soviet mission targeting a cigar-shaped object first photographed by Apollo 15. Rutledge's footage shows a derelict craft, strange vegetation, and even a humanoid body, Mona Lisa, allegedly brought back to the module. The details are oddly specific: crew names, technical specs, even Soviet involvement at the height of the Cold War. Some say it's an elaborate hoax, but others point to the convincing lunar footage and persistent rumors of artificial structures in NASA photos. The idea of a secret base or crashed ship isn't new. People have flagged towers, domes, and geometric patterns on the moon for decades. If a discovery like this happened, would NASA announce it? Or would it be the most classified secret on Earth? NASA denies everything. Apollo 18, 19, and 20 were cancelled, Rutledge never existed, and the videos are fake. But the story endures, tapping into our suspicion that we're not being told the whole truth. Is Apollo 20 a whistleblower's confession or a masterful hoax? The videos are out there, judge for yourself. Either way, it makes you wonder. What else is hidden in the archives? What other missions never made the history books? Sometimes the most unbelievable stories are the ones that refuse to die. The moon may hold more secrets than we think, and the line between fact and fiction, sometimes it's razor thin. The truth, whatever it is, remains out of reach. But the questions keep coming. Now let's head to Mars, the red planet and a magnet for mystery. NASA's rovers and orbiters have sent back millions of photos, and in those images, people have spotted some truly bizarre things. The most famous, the face on Mars, photographed by Viking 1 in 1976. A mile-long landform that looked eerily like a human face. NASA called it a trick of light and shadow, and later images made it look more like a regular mesa. But some claim the new photos were taken to obscure artificial features. Nearby, there are pyramid-like structures, dubbed the City, that some say show too much geometry to be natural. And it's not just Cydonia. Rovers have found anomalies all over, a figure that looks like a woman, a thigh bone, metallic objects, even what looks like a traffic light. NASA's answer? Pareidolia, our brains seeing patterns in random shapes. But can every single anomaly be explained away? Some objects are just too out of place. There's a perfectly spherical rock among jagged terrain, and a shiny, metallic-looking object sticking out of the ground. NASA says, just rocks. But would they tell us if they found something truly artificial? The mission is to study geology, not search for artifacts. If they found one, would we ever know? The sheer number of flagged anomalies is staggering. Hundreds, maybe thousands. Most are probably tricks of light or imagination. But what if just one is real? A single artifact would rewrite everything we know about life in the solar system. Mars remains a planet of questions, and every new photo brings more. Are we seeing the remnants of an ancient civilization, or just rocks playing tricks on us? The debate is far from over. Sometimes the strangest discoveries are hiding in plain sight, and Mars keeps its secrets well. NASA's own cameras have caught some truly strange things in Earth's orbit. Shuttle and ISS footage shows unexplained lights and objects moving in ways that defy easy explanation. The famous STS-48 mission captured a light making a sudden, impossible turn. NASA says it's just ice or debris, but the movement looks intelligent. The 1996 tether incident. Dozens of disc-shaped objects swarmed a broken tether. ISS live feeds often cut out when something odd appears. Even astronauts like Dr. Story Musgrave have reported strange sightings. When you add up the incidents, it paints a picture of a sky far more mysterious than we're told. This last one is the most compelling, the testimony of astronauts themselves. These are highly trained, disciplined professionals, not prone to wild stories. Yet, some have reported seeing things they can't explain. Gordon Cooper, one of the original Mercury astronauts, claimed to see UFOs both as a pilot and during his space mission. He insisted until his death that there was a cover-up. Edgar Mitchell, Apollo 14 moonwalker, became an outspoken believer in extraterrestrial visitation, saying he'd spoken to officials who confirmed the Roswell incident was real. NASA always distanced itself from these claims, but never called these men liars. More recently, ISS Commander Dr. Leroy Chiao reported seeing a line of chevron-shaped lights fly past the station, unexplained by any known source. Russian cosmonauts have reported similar sightings. The pattern astronauts report something strange, then face official debriefings and pressure to accept mundane explanations. There are even rumors, never confirmed, that Neil Armstrong hinted at being warned off the moon. The psychological pressure is immense. Careers, reputations, and legacies are on the line. Most stay silent, but a few speak out, usually later in life, when they have less to lose. How many reports have been buried? How many stories never made it past the debriefing room? The public testimonies are likely just the tip of the iceberg. The real secrets, full debriefings, classified reports, are probably locked away, never to be seen. When astronauts speak, we should listen. Their stories suggest there's more to space than we're allowed to know. The silence speaks volumes. And the truth? Still out there, waiting. Sometimes the bravest thing is to ask the question. So, there you have it. Lost tapes, secret missions, Martian mysteries, UFOs in orbit, and astronaut confessions. The official explanations are always there. Incompetence tricks of light, overactive imaginations. But the sheer volume of anomalies and the pattern of secrecy make you wonder if there's more to the story. The universe is vast and mysterious. To think we know it all is pure arrogance. If NASA did discover something world-changing, would they tell us, or decide we're not ready? Keep asking questions, stay curious, and let me know your theories in the comments. Until next time, keep your mind open.